How many selfish people out there? I'm gonna tell you something, the mission you're on right now, this business mission that you're on, this mission to build a business, to take care of your family, you better get selfish. You better put a financial statement together. Running a business is about money, period, okay? It's not about all this other stuff that you're being told right now. I went to college, spent 17 years. My dad died when I was 10 years old. I have two major regrets in my life: that I didn't get to spend more time with my dad, and that I didn't serve in the military. I had a chance, and I didn't do it because my mom talked me out of it, because my mom's like, oh, don't get hurt, okay? And what I did was I ended up with no mission, and I got hurt bad. From the age of 15 years old to 25, zero mission, no mission. There was no mission in life. How many of you see people doing this every day? No mission, no place to go, nothing to achieve, no target, okay? No enemy, no clear enemy. I was working with the Pentagon, 100,000 troops coming back. They're like, hey, can you help these guys in transition, dude? I said, yeah, I can help you, but you gotta quit talking about things that they don't understand, man. Like what? I said, like, find a job you love. How many heard that before? You gotta find a job you love, man, okay? How many heard that before? You gotta find something you love. The only way to be successful is find something you love. You need to find a job that's gonna make you some money, okay? It's money, man. You live on an economic planet. This isn't a planet about Army, Navy. This isn't a planet about white or black, short or tall, male or female. This is an economic planet. If you got enough money, nobody cares what you look like, how you talk, or what your language is. This is what they didn't teach you in school. This is the only reason I went to school. I wanted money. 64% of all businesses in America break even or lose money. Listen to what I'm telling you right now. 64% of every business in America, there's 28 million of them, break even or lose money. And it doesn't matter if the economy's good or bad. They break even or lose money. Here's the freaking phenomenal thing, okay? Break even shouldn't be a category. Who would make break even a category? Breaking even is losing.
That's my duty.
If I told you that you're gonna put a bunch of resources, a bunch of time, you're gonna work your ass off every day, you're not gonna see your wife and your kids most of the time, you're gonna be terrified every second of every day to break even, what would you say? Look, if you don't have your thing, whatever it is, the job, the money, the girl, your goals, your dreams, you gotta leave where you are. You can't win a mission from home. We don't win wars at home. You understand? You gotta go someplace. The world's changing. How many agree the world's changing right now? Dude, the world is changing. It's changing so fast, right? You gotta take the old ideas that you have and you gotta look at them again today and say, hey, is this true anymore? Is it true? What am I doing? What are me and the wife doing? What business are we building? Do I need to work for myself? Do I really? Or do I need to find the right vehicle that can go far enough, long enough, provide enough revenue for the right people, and get to the top of the food chain? Maybe you need to do your own deal. I don't know. I don't think about being the owner of a business. At the end of the month, I start looking at these. I get a bank balance every day. Every single day, I look at my money. Every day. If you're not looking at your money every day, you're not going to have anybody's money. You're not going to have money worth looking at, man. If you can count it, you ain't got enough. You need to be looking at those accounts every day. You don't want to look because there's nothing there, right? Remember this, 64% of businesses in America break even or lose money. Okay, check this out. 22 out of 28 million small businesses in America have no employees. 0 employees. What kind of business is that, man? I am the master and the slave. I am the prisoner, the warden, the jailhouse, the system. Dude, you're stuck. That's not a business. You cannot do the solopreneur thing even though you see some guy on Instagram rolling out with a Lambo, okay? It's bullshit. That's not a business. A business is people in a company. Anybody know any major successful person didn't have a bunch of employees? Anybody here know any great company that had 1 employee, 1 flow of income, that didn't use debt? You gotta use debt to expand. You can't stay small and expect the world to know you. It's impossible. How many of your parents told you this? Don't get too much attention. Fly under the radar. Don't toot your own horn. Be seen and not heard. Dude, you don't get attention today, you have absolutely 0 chance of being successful. Money follows attention. Period. End of story.